This tech review video is sponsored by Clean My Mac X, which is a program that I've been using to keep my Mac running as fast as day one and also free from any malware. Clean My Mac X can improve your computer's speed to run up to 4 times faster, improve app responsiveness, and clear junk from your hard drive, giving you more space to work with. To learn more and check out the program for yourself, head over to Clean My Mac using the link in the description below. Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today we are going to show you how you can use all of the buttons and their combinations on the iPhone X, XS, and XR. Let's get started. Okay, so we have 3 buttons on the iPhone XS here, and the 2 on the left side will be the volume up and volume down buttons, and then on the flip side of the phone, there is the larger power button or sleep wake button. These are the only buttons on this phone, so it's pretty simple to get everything right from here on out. Okay, so first thing, we'll go over the basic controls. The power or wake button can be pressed just once to wake the phone or put it to sleep. If you do have Siri activated and you want to activate Siri using the sleep button, just perform a long hold and Siri will appear. On the other side, you have your volume up and volume down buttons, and simply these just control your phone's volume. Long presses or holds really don't affect anything. They just control your volume controls, controlling them faster or slower. If you are receiving a call though, you can use these volume control buttons to silence the call, but not completely deny it. This way, if you don't want to completely deny a call, you can at least get the ringer to quiet down. Now onto the more advanced functions, and the first thing we'll look at is activating the power down menu. To do this, go ahead and tap the volume up button and then volume down, and then hold the power button on the right hand side. This will activate the power off menu without the emergency SOS feature. If you want to access the emergency SOS feature, here's how to do it. Go ahead and hold either the top or bottom volume control buttons along with the power button and hold until you see the emergency SOS timer wind down. You will have 5 seconds until it winds down completely, and when it does, it will call emergency services. If you want to cancel this emergency SOS process, just release all of the buttons and you'll be all set to go. Here is also the menu where you can see your medical ID, just in case you were wondering. Now, another function you can use the volume buttons for is actually a screenshot feature. So go ahead and press the volume up button and the power or sleep wake button at the same time, and that will take a screenshot of whatever is on your screen. So you can go ahead, do that, and then edit that screenshot, send it, do whatever you want with it, but that is how you take a screenshot. Next up, let's go over the hard reset function, a function that can be very useful and is much faster than completely restarting your iDevice. So to perform this function, go ahead and tap the volume up, then volume down, and hold down the power button. Continue holding until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo pop up onto your screen. Once you see that Apple logo, release that button and your iPhone will go back to the locked screen, successfully hard reset. Now, moving forward, there are other button combinations for DFU and recovery mode, but what I would actually suggest is using a program called iMazing to do this for you. It makes it super simple to put your device into a recovery mode, and that way you don't have to remember combinations of buttons and potentially get it wrong. If you ever have any issues that actually require you get into these modes, iMazing can help you with the steps thereafter and then get your iDevice back up and running. I'll have a link down below so you can check out iMazing and see all of what it can do for you as an Apple user. Okay guys, so those were all of the button combinations that you can use on the new generation iPhones with only 3 physical buttons. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot those over to me in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to get back to those as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and also get subscribed to see more content like this in the future. Anyways guys, thank you all for watching, and we hope to see you in some of our upcoming content.